What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be talking about the somewhat new Apple credit card, what you need to know about it, how it works, what's good, what's the bad. Let's get into it. But guys, before we get into it, before we actually start talking about in depth all about the Apple card, make sure you guys go down, leave us a like below. Anyway, let's get into it. Guys, the Apple card has been long awaited by Apple fans or anybody interested in the new news about Apple actually having their own credit card. Basically, they announced it back in March, and it's finally gonna be released this August, this month. The Apple card actually lives entirely on your Apple Wallet app on your phone. However, they also will send you a beautiful physical product that is the card that literally doesn't have any numbers on it. It's just your name, the Apple logo. It looks pretty sick. The card really is only meant for uses in which you can't use Apple Pay. Let's say you're at some local gas station that doesn't support Apple Pay. That's when the card can come in handy. The Wallet app is great because it allows you to see how you spend your money and of course gives you your balance. Of course, when having a card that is so dependent on your phone, there are gonna be benefits and there are gonna be drawbacks. The great thing about your card being on the phone is that you can pay your balance without using any third-party apps. You just pay your balance on the app. A good thing about the Apple card is it's joining the new trend of a lot of new credit cards where it doesn't have an annual fee, which is great. Apple in general is trying to get a lot of people to get this new card, so of course you're not going to have an annual fee to push people away from it. Another good thing is that if you're a big Apple fan and you make a lot of Apple purchases, you actually get 3% cash back on all Apple purchases, whether it be on the App Store or anything like that. Unfortunately though, with the Apple card, unlike a lot of other credit cards on the market, it's not really as flexible in the amount of awards that you can earn. There's really not a whole lot of that going on for Apple Card. Guys, Apple coming out with their own card is a huge, long-term, focused thing for Apple to do. They're trying to get more people stuck in Apple, right? They're trying to get more people that can't really switch out of Apple because now they got a card in there and their phone is just that much more important to them now. Really good move by Apple. Might be bad for the public, might even become more into Apple. Maybe they start upcharging things even more, then you gotta pay more. However, this is great for Apple stock long-term, definitely. Lastly, if you're genuinely interested in getting an Apple card, the APR, depending on your credit score, can be anywhere from 13 to 24%. If you're watching Business Buzz, that means that you know about basic finance, hopefully, right? Or at least you're learning. However, so you really shouldn't even care about the APR if you're smart with your money. But it can happen to the best of us if you go over on your card and then you got to pay it back and you're late. It matters. Guys, that about wraps up this video about the Apple card. There's more information you can find about it on Google. What I'm most interested in about it is the move by Apple here, right? You got to see this as Apple's long-term vision for the company, and I just think it's brilliant. Anyway, you guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you guys go down, leave us a like, and subscribe for more business, entrepreneurship, and finance content. Anyway, I'll see you later.